Hi, hello, my dear students. Up to now, I uploaded 5 lectures on the chapter Physical World Units and Measurements. To continue my lecture on this Physical World Units and Measurements, today I would like to discuss about the topic significant figures. What is the name of the topic? Significant figures. This is the most important topic in this physical world units and measurements, and it is easy to find whether any number is given. It is easy to find significant figures, right? What is the definition of this significant figures? Simply, significant figure is nothing but the most valuable digit in the given number is called significant figure. The most valuable digit in the given number is called significant figure. Don't panic, students. Don't by heart this definition. It is a very simple. Valuable digit in the given number. That is called significant figure. Let me discuss some examples on this significant figures. Then you will clearly known by this topic. Before going to do examples, I will tell rules of the significant figure. First rule, the most important one, these rules. If you know these rules, if any number is given, we are easy to find significant figures in that number. Rule 1. All non-zero digits are significant figures. This is the rule 1. Observe here, all non-zero digits are significant figures. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Observe here, is there any zero here? There is no zero in this number. That means this all numbers are non-zero digits. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all digits are non-zero digits. That's why these all are significant figures. So what is the count of significant figure here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means significant figure are 6 significant figures here. 6 significant figures here. Next, rule 2. Now, rule 2. Already we discussed rule 1. All non-zero digits are significant figures. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no non-zero digits. That's why total number of significant figures are 6. Next, rule 2. All zeros between two non-zero digits all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant figures. Example for this. Three zero 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 three. Observe this number. 30,003. 3,003. Here 3 and 3 are non-zero digits. Is it or not? 3 and 0. 3 and here 3 this side. These two are non-zero digits. In between, how many zeros are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. So these 3 zeros also called here significant figures here. That means in this number, total number, how many number of significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number of significant figures in this number is 5 significant figures. So in this number, total number of significant figures are 5. That means all zeros between two non-zero digits, all zeros between two non-zero digits are also called as significant figures. This is rule 2. Next, rule 3. So what is the rule 3 here? The number which is less than 1 with a decimal, the number which is less than 1 with a decimal, all zeros right side and left side of a decimal are not significant figures. They are not significant figures. Can I repeat once? Number which is less than 1. Let us consider one example. Number which is less than 1. Number which is less than 1. See, observe here. 0.00003468. This number is definitely less than 1. So, number which is less than 1. Okay, number is less than 1 with a decimal. This is a decimal number. All zeros right side and left side of a decimal. So this is a decimal. Right side of a decimal means this side. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Left side of a decimal, 1 zero is there. These are not significant figures. They are not treated as not significant figures. They are not significant figures. So the number which is less than 1 with a decimal, all zeros right side of a decimal and left side of a decimal. These all zeros are not a significant figures. That means how many significant figures in this number? The total number of significant figures are total number of significant figures in this number 1, 2, 3, 4. Because right side of a decimal, left side of a decimal, zeros are not considered as a significant figures. This is rule 3. Next, rule 4. Very easy to find. Any number is given, it is easy to find significant figures. Rule 4. The number which is greater than 1, the number which is greater than 1 with a decimal, all zeros right side and left side of a decimal are significant figures. My dear students, if you know the rules of significant figures, then it is easy to find any number is given. We are easy to find significant figures. So observe this rule for the number which is greater than 1. Let us take one example. 2.0003468. I will consider this number. The number which is greater than 1. This is definitely greater than 1 because it is 2 point something. So it is greater than 1 with a decimal. This is a decimal number. All zeros right side and left side of a decimal. This is a decimal one. Right side of a decimal means these zeros. And left side of a decimal means, and again for example here 1 0 is there, means we are considering that 0 also as a significant figures. So have you observed one thing here? Number is less than 1, right side of a decimal, left side of a decimal, they are not significant figures. Number is greater than 1, right side of a decimal, left side of a decimals are significant figures. That means greater than 1 means we are considering the zeros as significant figures. Less than 1 means we are not considering that zeros as significant figures. So now how many number of significant figures in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So significant figures in this number is equal to 8. This is rule 4. Next, the last rule for finding number of significant figures in a given number. Last rule, rule 5. So here rule 5 is the number which is non-decimal and all zeros right side of this number cannot said to be significant figures. Don't confuse ma, I'll discuss the number which is non-decimal. Number which is non-decimal means 2000. This is non-decimal number or not? There is no points here. If any number should contain points, point is there means that is decimal number. Here there is no points here. That's why this number is called non-decimal number. So 2000, 2000 is a non-decimal number. All zeros right side of this number, thus all zeros right side of this number, that means this is a number, 2 is one digit, non-zero digit, right side of non-zero digit, please change here, non-zero digit. So now it is good. All zeros right side of this non-zero digit, 2 is non-zero digit, as well as this is not a decimal number. Right side of this non-zero digit, all zeros cannot said to be significant figure. That means these three zeros are not significant figures. These three zeros are not significant figures. Not significant figures. We are not count this as a significant figures. That means how many number of significant figures here? Only one significant figure. That means any non-decimal number is there, it should contain zeros right side of a non-zero digit number, then the zeros are cannot said to be a significant number. The small statement is added here. Observe, the number which is non-decimal and all zeros right side of this non-zero digit cannot said to be a significant figure. This is not while we are taking measurements, those zeros can be significant. Most important statement these are. While we are taking measurements, those zeros can be significant. So let us explain here. Example 200, 2000 kg. What is the difference between these two? This is a measurement. This is a number. Measurement number. Observe here. Just a number which is non-decimal. All zeros. Right side of a non-zero digit. Here 2 is non-zero digit. So that means that is not a 0. Non-zero digit means that is not equal to 0. So 2 is a non-zero digit. Right side of this digit, 3 zeros are there. These 3 zeros are not a significant figures. Not a significant figures. So we are not considered as a significant figures. That means how many number of significant figures in this 2000 number? Significant figures count is one significant figure. 2000 kg. While we are taking measurements, those zeros can be significant. This is important statement. 2000 number you consider, significant figures in this number is 1. 2000 kgs you consider, significant figures is 4. Don't confuse. Measurement is there, then these zeros are treated as significant. They are also taken consideration of significant figures, because we are also count these zeros also while we are taking measurements, like a kgs or any unit is given, but only 2000 is given, significant figure is 1. These are the rules of significant figures. Now right. Now I consider 10 examples here. How to find significant figures for these 10 numbers. by using our rules. We have discussed 5 rules for significant figures. For finding significant figures, we discussed 5 rules. By using these 5 rules, how to find significant figure count for this 10 numbers. Observe 2.000. So what is this? This is coming under rule number. Observe rule 4. What is rule 4? The number which is greater than 1. The number which is greater than 1. This is 2.000. It is greater than 1. Number which is greater than 1 and it is a decimal. It is a decimal number. All zeros right side of this number or left side of this number can be considered as significant figures. Can be considered as significant figures. That means 2 is one significant figure. Here 000 is also significant figures. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of significant figures is 4 according to rule 4. Okay? Because whenever the number which is greater than 1 after decimal zeros also considered as a significant figures. Next 0.00214 according to rule 3. The number which is less than 1. This number less than 1 or not? Less than 1. And it is a decimal or not? Decimal. All zeros right side and left side of a decimal. This is a decimal. Left side of decimal is only 1 0 is there. Right side of decimal 2 zeros is there. These are not significant figures. That means these 2 zeros and this 1 0 is not a significant figure here. Only these numbers only significant here. How many number of significance here? 1, 2, 3. 3 significant here. 3 significant figures. Next, observe here this number 3, 1, 2, 10 power 12. According to rule 1. According to rule 1. What is rule 1, ma? All non-zero digits are significant figures. 3, 1, 2. These are all are non-zero digits. That's why these 3 are considered as a significant figures. That means how many number of significant figures here? 3. Here into powers is there. That is nothing a matter here. 10 power 12 or it may be 10 power 8, 10 power 15, any power, whatever it may be power. So we are not considered here. Just we consider 3, 1, 2 as a significant figure. Next, 3000. Observe example 4. 3000. This is coming under rule 5. What is the rule 5 here? Number which is non-decimal. This is not a decimal number. And also all zeros right side of non-zero digit. Here non-zero digit is 3. Right side of non-zero digit. All zeros are not a significant figures. These 3 zeros are not a significant figures. So that's why how many number of significant figures here? Only one significant figure. While we are taking under consideration these measurements, for example 3000 grams, 3000 kgs, 3000 newtons, or it may be 4000 grams, 4000 newtons, at that time we consider these 3 zeros also as a significant figures. That means how many significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now zeros also taken as a significant figures. That means this is also rule 5. What is the rule 5? According to rule 5, how many significant figures? For the measurements, zeros also taken as consideration. That means significant figures for this one is 4. Now, for this sixth example. Observe here. This is coming under, I think this is coming under rule 4. The number which is greater than 1. This is greater than 1. And it is a decimal number only. At that time, all zeros, right side of the decimal or left side of a decimal, are called as significant figures. That means here right side of a decimal only one zero is there. This zero also taken as a significant figure. That means how many significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. Simple here, simple logic. Number which is greater than 1 means we are taking right side of decimal and left side of decimal, all zeros we consider as a significant figures. Whether it is less than 1, we are not considering. So number of significant figures in above number is 5. For this 7, number which is greater than 1. This is also coming under rule 4. The number which is greater than 1 and it is a decimal number. So right side of a decimal, left side of a decimal, all zeros are treated as a significant figures. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not considering this 10 power 8. That means how many number of significant figures here? 5 significant figures. Next, 8th example. Observe here 0.00102. This number is less than 1. What is rule 3? According to rule 3, the number which is less than 1, which is a decimal number, at that time, right side zeros, left side zeros, that means right side of a decimal zeros, left side of a decimal zeros, these two zeros are right side of a decimal, this 10 is left side of a decimal, they are not taken under consideration as significant figures. They are not a significant figures whenever number is less than 1. That is a rule 3. According to rule 3, so this number should contain significant figures is 3 significant figures, because these 3 zeros are not considered as a significant figure because this number is less than 1. Next, 9th one, 0.12. This is also coming under rule 3. What is rule 3? The number which is less than 1 and it is a decimal, right side of decimal, left side of decimal. So here left side of decimal 0 is there, right side there is no zeros. They are not treated as a significant figures. That means how many number of significant figures here? 1 and 2. Only 2 significant figures here. Because this number less than 1, right side of a decimal, left side of decimal, zeros are not considered as a significant figures. Next, 10th example. This is also coming under rule 3. According to rule 3. So this number is also less than 1. That's why, so we are not considering this 0 as a significant figure. So how many number of significant figure here? Power is also not considered here. So 1 and 2. So 2 significant figure. So I hope the students, I think you are all having now clear idea about these significant figures. So next videos will be uploaded on this physical world and units and measurements. Okay, we'll discuss later. Thank you.